Is it just me, or did 2020 go by real fast? Everything kind of just felt like a blur. Can you believe all this stuff happened? But as far as my hair, it's been doing pretty good. In 2020, I started my year off in Nigeria, visited family, kicked it with some friends that can't take a break from their phones, and ate a lot of really good food. Our winter in this part of the world is the dry season called Harmattan in this part of the world. My blowouts loves dry weather, so my hair was living its best life during Harmattan. It stayed stretched and did not shrink. I effortlessly had no knots or tangles, and I could wear it down more often when I went out. When the weather is humid, my blowouts just don't look or last the same. I have a different way of blowing out my hair. Below is a link to videos on the best type of blow dryers to use, blow dryer must-haves, my unique and effective heat protectant, and my complete heat regimen. So this was the state of my hair at the beginning of the year. As a reminder, I don't try to make my hair even. When I trim it, I do it while it's in twist. This was my hair in February. My goal for 2020 was to bulk up my hair through herbal treatments, minimal manipulation, and increased mineral intake. My hair and my health were so happy. I can honestly say at this point that I'm way more interested in health and volume than I am about length. In March, I gave myself a really good trim. Some areas I took off 2 inches and other areas 1 inch. As I mentioned earlier, I cut my hair in twists, and I treat each twist independently. Here's what my hair looked like in April. I'm not sure if you can tell, but in an effort to preserve my edges, I stopped using heat in the whole front section of my hair. In May, I did a little length check. I was surprised to see that I'm almost waist length. There's nothing like true 4C hair. It can get long as hell without you even noticing. And our volume is out of this world. But you're not gonna get anywhere if you fall for the hype and continue to wish your hair was a different hair type. Ignore all the noise and fall in love with your hair and yourself. Here's my hair in June. This is one simple way I style my hair when my blowouts get old. I live in a humid place, so I have to wear my hair in ways that slows down shrinkage without causing too much tension to my scalp. And this was my hair in July 2020. I didn't take any more update pictures for the rest of the year for personal reasons. I did a length check in 2016, 2017, and in 2019. So I figured I'll do another one for 2020. My hair has come a long way over the years. I've had setbacks, but it's never made me stop loving and getting to know my hair for what it is. It's not about having hair like someone else, and it's not about having long hair. It's about loving yourself, finding your style, and putting on your crown. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.